What if I told you that the reason your kitchen never feels truly clean is because you're cleaning it in the wrong order, wasting hours on repeated work, and missing the hidden dirt that's affecting your health and food safety? What if there's a professional sequence used by restaurant cleaners that transforms even the dirtiest kitchen into a sparkling, sanitary space in under 3 hours? I discovered this method after years of ineffective kitchen cleaning, and the transformation was so complete that cooking became enjoyable again. Stay with me, because this will revolutionize your kitchen forever. The kitchen that's never really clean. You know that feeling when you spend hours cleaning your kitchen, you're exhausted, and yet somehow it still doesn't feel truly clean. The counters are wiped, the dishes are done, but there's a lingering grease smell. The floors look clean until the light hits them a certain way, and you see streaks. The appliances are wiped down, but not gleaming. You've worked hard, but the results are disappointing. And within days, everything looks dirty again. You're trapped in this cycle of cleaning that never achieves the fresh, pristine feeling you're after. Step 1. The complete purge, 30 minutes. Empty everything. Refrigerator, cabinets, pantry, countertops. Everything comes out. This sounds extreme, but it's essential. You cannot deep clean around clutter. As you remove items, sort into keep, toss, and relocate. Check expiration dates ruthlessly. That spice from 2 years ago? Gone. The sauce you never use? Donate. Step 2. The top-down deep clean, 45 minutes. Now the kitchen is empty, you clean from ceiling to floor. Start with range hood and exhaust fan, where grease accumulates invisibly. Then cabinet exteriors, especially tops where dust and grease collect. Then backsplash and walls. Then appliance exteriors. Then cabinet interiors. Then countertops. This sequence ensures dirt and cleaning solution always fall onto surfaces you haven't cleaned yet. Step 3. The appliance interior attack, 40 minutes. Refrigerator interior. Remove shelves and drawers, wash in sink, wipe interior with baking soda solution. Oven interior. Use baking soda paste overnight method or oven cleaner. Microwave interior. Steam clean with vinegar and water. Dishwasher interior. Run empty cycle with vinegar. These appliances affect food safety and cooking effectiveness. My refrigerator hadn't been deep cleaned in over a year. The difference in how fresh food stayed after a proper cleaning was noticeable. Step 4. The strategic reorganization, 30 minutes. Return items logically. Frequently used items at eye level and within easy reach. Rarely used items higher up or further back. Group by category. Baking supplies together, spices together, canned goods together. Use bins or organizers to contain categories. Label if helpful. This step is what maintains cleanliness long term. When everything has a logical home, putting things away becomes automatic. Step 5. The floor finale, 15 minutes. Floors last. Always. Sweep thoroughly, getting corners and under appliances. Then mop, starting from the far corner and working toward the exit. This ensures you never walk on areas you've already cleaned. Let dry completely before replacing any items like trash bins or rugs. Clean floors are the foundation that makes all the above work visible. The shocking result: 3 hours from start to finish. My kitchen looked better than the day I moved in. Every surface gleamed. Appliances sparkled. The organization was logical and beautiful. And the smell, gone, was the stale cooking oil scent, replaced by fresh cleanliness. But here's what really shocked me. 2 weeks later, my kitchen still looked incredible. Why? Because I'd created systems during reorganization that made maintenance effortless. Everything had a home. Daily cleanup took 5 minutes instead of 20 because I wasn't fighting clutter and buildup. Why sequence matters. Cleaning in the wrong order means re-cleaning. If you clean counters first, then clean the range hood, grease drips onto your clean counters. If you mop floors first, then clean cabinets, dust falls on your clean floors. The professional sequence eliminates this wasted effort. You clean each surface once, thoroughly, and you're done. There it is. Spring cleaning your kitchen the professional way. Complete purge, top-down deep clean, appliance interiors, strategic reorganization, floors last. If this just gave you the roadmap to your cleanest kitchen ever, smash that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more professional cleaning secrets. Share this with anyone dreading kitchen spring cleaning. Comment if you're doing this weekend. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, follow the sequence, transform your kitchen, and enjoy cooking in a space that's truly clean.